If you want stronger Wi-Fi coverage at home, you can connect a TP-Link router to your Xfinity modem router and use it as an access point. This setup is helpful when the default Wi-Fi signal from your modem doesn't reach every room. By enabling bridge or access point mode on routers like the TP-Link Archer AX73 router, the device simply broadcasts Wi-Fi while the Xfinity modem continues handling internet routing and IP addresses. This avoids common issues like double NAT and helps create a more stable and faster network throughout your home. Step 1. Connect an Ethernet cable from the Xfinity modem router to the WAN port on your TP-Link router. Step 2. Log into the router settings using the TP-Link Tether app or the web interface. Step 3. Change the router's operation mode to access point or bridge mode. Step 4. Disable the DHCP server on the TP-Link router so the Xfinity modem manages IP addresses. Step 5. Save the settings, restart both devices, and connect to the new Wi-Fi network to test the connection.